Hey guys, welcome to the Overdose Drive YouTube channel. My name's Carl.
I'm George.
And today we are going to the end of the year meet from Underground Unity. It'll be happening in a town called Heerhugowaard in North Holland in the Netherlands. Quite frankly, I don't know what to expect. I've seen some Facebook posts of some nice tuned cars, but besides that I don't know much. I'm really pumped to go. I'm going to be going with Josh as well as Ben, who's behind the camera right now. Besides that, I don't think there's much.
You'll see about it.
Yeah, we're going to drive there. It's about an hour drive. Right now we're waiting for pizza to arrive, so that's going to be a nice meal. So, see you guys at the event.
Later.
So, we're back here. We just arrived. It's a really nice Carmeet. There's a lot of people. Josh and Ben are standing over there. As you can see there, well, I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of cars there. It'll probably be a lot better when I get close up, but right now, for us to make a guess, there is about 75 to 100 cars here. The event just started like 15 minutes to half an hour ago, so there's going to be a lot more people showing up. Some really nice cars. There's already like 350Zs out here. I saw some WRXs, one. But this should be a pretty nice video. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys can see something even though it's pretty dark. And I'll speak to you guys later.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something
So we've been here for a while now. We've seen some really nice cars. What's your favorite? What's been your guys' favorite so far?
Just now, 10 seconds ago, I drove by an R32 Skyline GTR, and I gotta say, I love it.
And you, Josh?
Most of the guys know it already, but the 350Z, of course.
Of course.
It's been here for a while, one of the first cars to arrive. My favorite, I'm having a really tough time picking my favorite, honestly. Quite frankly, there's a lot of nice cars here. A lot of them are tuned. Really a lot of nice sounds. I guess I'll have to tell you guys later which one is my favorite and which one's my least favorite. Or don't we do that here?
Yeah, we do that.
We do that here. We do that here. So
My least favorite is Josh's Oscar. just to be sure.
So see you guys later.
You have no idea how cold my feet are. You have no idea. I got this big of a hole in my shoe and this fucking Dutch weather, like really wet. So I'm fucked.
But yeah, guys, as Ben just mentioned, it is really nasty weather. People are starting to leave. It's raining a bit here and there. So yeah, I think we're gonna call it a night as well. It's been a lot of fun. Probably my favorite car must have still been the silver Subaru WRX that showed up.
Start vaping already.
Shut
Yeah,
the fuck up.
start vaping. Start vaping. Vaping, boy.
So yeah, I really enjoyed the event today. We met some guys, really nice dudes over here. I would like to thank the person who organized this event. I don't know your name, I'm sorry. But the links to their car group, I guess you could call it, are down in the description, as well as the event we attended today. Besides that, I don't think there's much to mention. Oh yeah, we got knowledge of some car meets that we're going to in the next year, in 2019.
2019.
The first car meet you guys can be looking forward to is on March 30th.
March 30th. The 30th of March is, that is, you cannot call it the first meet, but you will see it.
Yeah, it's going to be, they call it a kickoff meet, but yeah.
Yeah, the kickoff of the new car season, when the good weather is here and the Dutch weather is not falling us.
Exactly.
Like today.
Always.
So hey guys, I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like if you like the video, leave a dislike if you dislike the video. Don't forget to comment down below what did we do good, what could we do, what could we have done better. Also our social media is linked down below. We post daily on Instagram, also on Facebook. Besides that, all the music is also mentioned down below.
Subscribe for more.
Subscribe for more, guys.